Let me know when.
We're going.
Oh, it's gonna take forever.
And we wait. It flows.
Freezy is going.
We
it's
haven't.
down.
We haven't messed with the
Level.
level. You just want to see. Let's just see if it'll move.
If it actually
There's
prints
stuff
anything.
coming out
There's
though.
stuff coming out of it.
Remember that?
Yeah.
See that real quick?
I can get rid of it because I have a
I was
clear.
going
I like-
to.
I
I was
like-
going
No,
to.
I have a clearer shot than you guys
That's
do.
true,
though.
yeah.
That's why I took it so I can.
Just gonna grab that little bit right
There
there.
we
Yeah, I have a
Yeah, okay.
clearer shot though. So
Yeah,
if you guys tell me when it comes out.
Right, with
I
the
mean, it's almost there, so I don't think it'll do too much. Sorry.
That's fine. It'll get rid of it right there. We don't have any brim, do we?
The Science Olympiad kids, they're like, ooh, what's going on in there?
That's cool. Okay.
Sorry. I'm a Science Olympiad kid too.
Are we removing audio from this video?
Yeah.
Well,
Okay,
Oh, check it out. Okay.
great.
Alright, it's.
Science Olympiad kids can.
Alright.
Supposed to do that?
Wait.
Yes.
No, sort of.
Wait. I'm gonna get Mr.
Seems a
Oh, no,
little.
that's right, because the nut track.
Yeah.
it's printing.
It is.
Wait, what is it printing?
Right here.
Look here.
Oh.
What's the time estimate now? What do you say?
He's coming. He's right here.
Mr. Ennis, look at this.
Alright,
So
we're gonna
we
print a
burning.
phone case today, right?
No.
It's
I
disgusting.
didn't
We're not
even.
gonna.
I didn't
You have
even-
That was a joke.
If,
Yeah, I know.
if this works, so we can just set it up in the office and let it print like all day.
No.
Mr. Ennis
Box around it.
Maybe.
Yeah.
We need to make sure we got brim.
We could put a little box with like a sound with it says
We
yeah.
we need brim because that's gonna be really important. For,
Yeah.
Making out like just figures. So we kind of
I'm
Yeah, but
actually
that's a
I'm gonna
size
put
thing.
together a.
small gear.
I'm gonna
Yeah.
put together a little
Yeah.
toolkit, like
Yeah.
a troubleshooting toolkit.
You do, yeah. I like
I understand why.
'Cause
we
I
just
think we
connect
need-
here every time. I like
That way, like every time something
Yeah,
kind of
that's
goes
true.
wrong, you don't have to like
But then
go
you can't like
searching.
unplug it.
You just
Here,
disconnect
is this
it.
good for the video?
Um,
Or do
wait,
you want
wait.
me-
I'd go like a
You
bit
just want-
lower,
You
so
can
like.
just unplug
Okay,
it.
because I
I know
can't.
it depends on the
You
firmware
picked the
though.
wrong person.
Like
to
some
do it, 'cause I
like
can't.
I can do
I
it.
guess like, just on the older firmware. So I guess not.
That's an interesting thing because it has its own system right here, and we're connected to it with that.
Yeah, I don't know.
Huh?
That's fine.
Yeah. Hold up. Can I come around to this side though? Alright, let's all pose for a picture. Sorry, I just sat where you were sitting.
Printer
If you want to
selfies.
sit on that side of the picture, you can. Alright.
Seeing us annoying you has paid off.
No, you guys are not annoying me.
You sure about that?
Positive. What, like... I know what you said. That's fresh
Hey, guys.
See this?
Guys, we need to get like we need to make a box and like put soundproof insulation on this.
We do.
And just
It's
dump
not
it.
that loud. Like, I thought it'd be loud.
It depends. But
Like the speaker?
Last block.
What?
Or is it just making those
What was that?
We have a couple of pictures from our building that you can borrow. if
Oh, it's
you
not
want.
that. It's the steppers. It's this.
oh, did you see the rock
I'm gonna
star
take
one
a
of people
quick
to, like,
video, and this
speak on,
one
like,
is gonna have sound in it, so you guys just keep your language PG.
Lolly Charter on people like tweet pictures and stuff. From,
Dude,
like, activities.
We have so many. I wanted to take a time lapse of every print.
Yeah, that's not gonna happen.
It's pretty small. It's
Yeah.
like here, if you come look at the top, you can
Yeah,
see
we're
this
printing
tiny
something that's
little-
already on there.
You see this small gear on the motor? It's one of those.
Yeah, we're redoing a lot of the 3D printed pieces that are in the kit because they're like really low
Can
quality.
someone tell me what time it is
So-
right now?
336.
336.
Swag.
There's the clock right there.
Because I have to leave.
This is gonna be done in like 5 minutes.
What? Okay.
For our first print, come on, mister. Just kidding.
It'll be done within
It's
that
okay.
time.
He doesn't want to stay and see the whole thing.
Or it's gonna take like a whole 30 minutes.
Can I get dibs on keeping it?
The printer is gonna keep it.
right now.
I think this should be our like, oh my god, robotics thing. We should just glue it to the printer.
Just tape it.
Tape.
Can I take it home and like laminate it and like bring it back?
How are you gonna laminate?
That inside
3D
part
lamination.
kind of gross.
No, you can laminate.
The
it.
inside part of it is really gross. Yeah.
Is this like the first
It's fine though, it's just
Yeah.
in.
Well,
I mean, the
we tried
inside
it
part
several
of it
times.
doesn't
This is
matter.
our first
Yeah.
actual print.
Oh,
I mean, the
So,
outside does too look like it's already warping a little bit.
That I mean,
Yeah, that's
we're
what I'm
talking
talking about.
about
Straight.
I always have brim.
the thing.
We need
Yeah.
brim, and also
Yeah.
once we calibrate, it'll be like no problem. This actually might work.
no technology.
Oh, by the way,
Because just
this is a
look at
secret
this.
from the school.
It's like
for
not even
some
level.
time.
And it's
Yeah, so
starting
like
to
So
don't.
like until it's announced in the flame, don't talk about it.
Yeah.
I mean, people.
I mean, some people already know, but if they say that, just be like, I have no idea what you're talking
I have no idea what you're saying.
about. Where did you hear about it?
I think I'm in.
Oh, okay. So since you guys.
And you just been being very secretive about it.
For some reason.
Huh?
I don't know why. Why are you being so secretive about
I
it?
mean,
Because
the whole plan.
he wants
last-
to build suspense.
That was the whole plan last year. Like we were
Yeah.
like, holy crap, we're gonna build this thing.
And you're just more into the theatrics.
I can tell.
Yeah, I know, but nobody else is.
Yeah, none of us are because it's not.
Mr. Ennis is.
No, he's not.
There he is. Ask him.
Stop.
Why don't you put like the film on something?
I could,
Well, you guys
but
gotta print
maybe next time. What? Depending on this thing, how this goes, we'll
It's gonna
figure it out.
Oh, it's not even weird.
Can I still align this thing after we're done with it?
Yeah.
Wait.
Well,
That would make you so happy.
I don't want it like that since it's working right now.
Well, I know. It's not gonna mess anything up.
It's
yeah.
not.
Yeah.
Avon,
I just-
Avon will vouch for me.
Yeah. I like. We're not.
After we,
we're-
but
Yeah,
we know
after
we're
print's done.
after the print.
Yeah,
is
Of course,
done.
after the print
After
done,
the
yeah.
print's done,
While
probably
it's
not even.
printing.
Not maybe not today. We might not.
For taking the part
I'm
mid-play.
taking
I took a selfie.
Dude, let's all take a selfie.
Hey,
digital camera selfie.
I'm not participating in so.
Oh, you're gonna be in it.
I'm just
Not doing it.
I'm just gonna.
Let's take a selfie.
You're gonna blur on my face, right? Okay, so yeah, I just see you now. Sarcasm.
Good-ish.
Immediately, I started doing this, like some kind of like strange, like homosexual pose. This has no supports, so the tube
Yeah.
will be disgusting.
Still a first print.
It came out okay.
Well, I mean,
My head was bigger than yours.
It's already warping.
Of course,
yeah,
yes. You're the
I
one
can
who
see
comes
that.
We want slicer, dude.
Huh?
We need a prawn face and slicer.
I have Slicer, no point. So what are the advantages?
This menu takes forever to move things. That thing, on prawn face, you're like, dude, it just moves it all over the place, like no problem. It also won't do these things where it's like way easier to move around. You can modify also things. Slicer, you can just go straight to slicer from prawn face, and then do things like that. Even if you put an STL file into prawn face, it'll automatically cut into G code and then put it there. But slicers, if you want to modify it.
It says 9 minutes left, right?
No, it's been 9 minutes.
yeah. So it's only 1 minute left.
No,
No.
Shouldn't.
It's actually falling the sand. It's about to go. It's about to move to the gears.
Oh, okay. I thought.
Is there any way to make like this process faster?
Oh, never mind. My time is off.
You don't want
You
to
can-
because it pushes like the limits of
I
how
was
fast
trying
that
to-
extruder can extrude.
And how fast the plastic can
And plus, this isn't like an industrial.
It should be
3D
about
printer.
5 minutes left.
Industrial 3D printers.
Anoush.
They print
It
out
should
some
be about
crazy
5 minutes
stuff
left, according to
pretty
my
fast.
time.
Also,
Why
well,
are
you
you
can get
timing
timing
based on
guys.
what?
you can get a tiny
Because,
one.
like, it
Oh, it
should have-
originally said.
This
Yeah, it
is
has an
this is-
estimate. It had an
this is
original
8x8.
estimate.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
yeah.
So
mine
I'm
is
timing based off of that.
Well, it's not even at the T yet.
I know. I think
Yeah.
it's 10
Oh,
See,
so it's going more. So it's
Yeah.
going slower.
Yeah, it's at the bottom part.
22%. Is that, so
That's how much it's done.
Yeah, so a 50. So it's gonna take 50 minutes to print this?
Yeah, but you do
Fifty.
19.
Like with a 50.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, we don't have.
We only have 18.
Yeah, okay, it gave an estimate of 10 to 15 minutes.
Well, currently it's only 45%.
Yeah, that's... So this
So 40.
prints a lot more.
It says SD. It says SD. 24%. So you guys,
The SD card. No, it stands for secure digital.
hey,
Secure digital.
secure digital. I think now
Probably time-lapse,
it's
yeah.
It might go faster once
it's not at 25%. Definitely it's not. That's not 25%.
Yeah. It's
It's like that kind of.
yeah, come over to this side and you can...
It's the little part that's
It's
right
a
there.
small-
Here.
It's all over the back.
No, come over to this side and
Yeah.
you can see it's this
Come
thing
to
right
where I
there.
am.
So smaller vision. Oh,
That right there.
Right
Oh.
It's a little bit bigger than that. You think I am bigger?
Yeah.
For plastic box?
Oh, the black thing.
I thought mine was bigger.
The little yellowy brown thing.
Do you guys want to start coming?
We do need to start cleaning up. It is
That's
3:45, so...
Put all the plastic.
I mean, it works now?
Yeah.
Alright, I mean,
And Eric wasn't here.
I know, and neither was Crackers, but Crackers didn't
Crocker is physical.
like... Yeah.
Excuse me, God.
Oh, shut up.
You
Emma. Where's Aaron?
Probably
Building
doing
here
college
now.
app stuff. I mean, I feel really bad for him because he's like super busy and like... Yeah. We did it, guys! Yeah!
Yeah, you too.
That's the same.
Yeah, my car's one of my cars. That
Yeah, we're just starting. So Indian. So Indian.
Yeah.
Good job, kebab.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you said good job, kebab.
No, it's like a Persian chicken.
Are you Persian?
He said Persian chicken.
Well, I mean, you can eat Persian chicken or light or anything. Yeah.
Hey, look, it started the
Ooh, awesome. Oh, and that actually looks kind of nice too. Pretty cool. I'm looking forward to the fun business on this. Can we do this tomorrow?
It's gonna take a while. Like,
It takes
this
like
is
2
taking
hours.
like twice the estimated time. Like,
Yeah, it should have been done already. But
yeah, like it said it would take, it should take like 10, maybe 15 minutes.
We started at like the 7th. It's been 10, it's been about like 10, 9 minutes.
It's
No,
been
14 minutes.
I'm
15.
filming.
No,
It's been 15.
It's been 14.
It's been 13 minutes and 31
Okay,
seconds.
yeah.
Yeah.
I have a count. It says the number.
So yeah, so when you want to print like bigger stuff, we're gonna have to set it up somewhere. Just let it print all day. I think we should build like a wood box, just like big. Oh yeah.
Oh, that's pretty interesting.
I was trying to do it in basic.
Currently,
But dude, why don't we get a Raspberry Pi, $40, like the original model, and there's a software we can download and plug it into USB, so there's a web interface where we can upload models.
I think that we had some way that we wanted to spend the money, and I need to check. Because a lot of it's been spent on filament and extra supplies, so like the glass and stuff like that.
Yeah. Well,
We just need it.
if we have $45 up there, we can save it up. Because if we're leaving it in a closet, it'll be easier to do instead of...
Yeah.
Another thing we can do is just tell people to bring it on the SD card. Bring the G-code down.
Oh, do
Is this like an overheat?
The hotter the better.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Yeah, can it overheat?
I don't think so.
I
You
mean,
can
unless you like.
you can put too much power into the cartridge and bust it, but the ramp board, back there, is like programmed not to do that.
It has like a crap ton of like.
No, I can't see very well. What does the print quality look like so far?
The teeth look pretty good.
Oh,
The
okay.
first
Okay.
few layers at
These
the
are
base,
different teeth
Okay.
actually.
'Cause that's
Yeah.
no, they're
what
the same.
that's what I worried about.
They'll be herringbone when it comes out.
Oh, because they're going.
That looks a
either
lot
day.
different than this.
No, they're
I mean,
the
they
same
this
thing.
is such crap.
They go at a
They're
diagonal.
the same thing. Yeah.
Yeah, the bottom layers are crap. The teeth look pretty good though.
And I mean,
Hey,
not
they're-
saying that.
no.
They're
I think
warping
it
a little
looks-
bit though.
It's a beautiful.
Hey.
I think this is
I
better
can't
than
tell.
what we had.
I know. I think that.
Is it just me or is it
I
warping?
mean, it was
It's a
like
different
big
thing.
angles.
It's a different looking gear.
Dude, it's warping. This side is higher,
This side is coming off too. It's gonna break off soon.
squishing it. Oh, it's like pushing down to the ground.
So those are 3D.
So we
These
might
are
need to,
3D.
dude, we might need to install a fan
Yeah,
on the
yeah,
back of the
yeah.
stepper.
Because, like,
Say what?
how can you?
We might need to get like a mount for a fan on the back of the stepper.
But
You
No
can
we're
fans.
printing our own
Why?
parts they're
Because that'll cause a side